Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 and Galaxy Z Flip 5G will cost the same as the predecessors. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5G will go on the pre-order this Wednesday, and according to a report by ETNews, it will cost the same as the original 4G version price. The Korean currency 1.65 million or $1,370. This despite the upgrade chipset, one of the first with the new Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset and 5G connectivity. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold. Note, the Z will also cost the same as the original model, a hefty Korean currency 2.39 million or equal to $1,990. Do keep in mind that the revised Galaxy Fold 5G model was north of $2,200 when it's announced, and even that still used the Snapdragon 855 chipset instead of the Snapdragon 865 Plus of the upcoming model. The Galaxy Z Fold 2 promise many more improvement to creationally more than the Z Flip 5G. The slightly larger 7.59-inch inner screen will have 120Hz refresh rate and S Pen support. The outer display will be larger to 4.6-inch to 6.23-inch. The inner screen is said to be using ultra thin glass UTG just like the Galaxy Z Flip, more for its optical qualities than scratch resistance. The rear camera will upgrade to a triple module system with a 64 megapixel main, 112 megapixel and 16 megapixel lightly telephoto and ultra wide. One on the downside, the original was bundled with the free Galaxy Buds Plus. This one will not be getting any free biz. Anyway, while the Galaxy Z Flip 5G is ready to go, the Z Fold 2 may take a while. Samsung plans to sell 3 million units annually, but initial supply may be limited. Also, the company will space out the Galaxy Note 20 and the Galaxy Z Fold release so that they don't cannibalize it consumer interest from each other. It's not clear if its cheaper Galaxy Z Fold Lite is on the way or not. Mystic Bronze will be the hero color this session. You can see the render for the Z Fold 2, Note 20, Galaxy Buds Live and the Galaxy Watch 3. A new collaboration with Tom Brown is also in the work. The fashion designer turned the premium foldable into a fashion statement, and fashion is often pricey. So in these upcoming days we will see the Galaxy Z Fold 2 and Z Flip 5G. So let's see in upcoming days. Make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.